Hello everybody, in this video I'm going to show you how to fix the Epic Games Launcher Setup Wizard Ended Prematurely error on Windows. This is often due to corrupted installation files, insufficient permissions, or antivirus interference. Okay, the first thing you want to do is download the newest version from the Epic Games Store. You can find that here. You can just Google Epic Games Downloader. Or the second best thing you can do if this isn't working is to go to the Microsoft Store. Just type in Microsoft Store and just search for Epic Games Launcher. This actually helps a lot of people. This is like the best way to install it without it crashing, so definitely give that a try. The next thing, if that still isn't working, is to disable your Windows security, that is to say your virus and threat protection. So go into virus and threat protection settings, go to manage settings, turn off real-time protection. At the same time, go to firewall and network protection, go to public network and turn this off as well, then run it again to see if that fixes the issue. Okay, now let's try something else if those two haven't worked. Type in Control, Shift, and Escape, then click on Run New Task. Now go to wherever you have downloaded the installer. I have it right here. Right click on it, go to Copy as Path. Now paste that into here and click on Create Task with Administrative Privileges. Hit OK. And see if that worked. Okay, the next thing you want to do is make sure that you have the .NET Framework 4.8 installed. How do you do that? Go to Control Panel, go to Programs right here, go to Turn Windows Features On or Off, and right here I have .NET Framework 4.8 Advanced Services installed. If you do not have it installed, if you do not have it installed, actually I do not have it installed. So if you are like me, do not have it installed, you want to check it, hit OK and install it. The next thing you want to do is clear the cache and end Epic processes. So open the Task Manager and find any Epic related things, and I don't have them running, but any Epic Games Store related processes, and end them. Right click and say End Task. Then after you have done that, go to Run, go to this local app data %mark again, and from here there should be a folder called Epic Games right here, Epic Games Launcher folder. Go into here and there should be a web cache folder. If you have ever opened Epic Games Launcher, delete that and try to reinstall it once again. The next thing you want to try is to perform a clean boot. So how do you do that? Go to Run, type in msconfig into here. From here, go to go to Services, click on Hide All Microsoft Services and Disable All. So this will disable basically all the services that aren't Microsoft services. Then after you have done that, restart Windows and then try it once again to see if these are the culprit and these are what's stopping it from installing. And if this video helped you, leave the video a like and please subscribe. I really appreciate it. Have a nice day.